What's up, y'all? Ken and Wayne here with another video. We had a classics car meet today, and enough about showing my face. I'm finna show y'all these cars. Say what's up to the people, man.
What's up?
Say what's up to the people, man. Got my nephew out here.
Hey, kid.
I'm gonna order me one of these.
Nah, you don't need one of those.
I need one of those when I put that supercharger in the car.
That's not necessary.
I know it ain't necessary. It look good on the car, man.
The bar. I think that over there might be Hemi swap because it looks exactly like a Hemi. I might not say it is.
Trans Am. I think it's another Trans Am over there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mobile, Alabama, man. They doing it up here at the Steak and Shake. Nice. I love that black interior with the red on the out. That's nice. That's nice. I like that. Got the 6x9s in there. Black, nice, hard drop top. Got the Oldsmobile. White trimming, black guts, little wood grain action. Okay. Oh yeah, nice. The wood grain action on the stick. Blacked out. Oh, whoa! What's going on here? Hey, what's going on here? Are y'all peeping this? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Dude, my man got that swap in there? Cause that look like my engine. Red with the black guts. It's a dart. Yo, it's a dart.
Yeah, I know.
You know the car that we had, the small dart? Exactly. But they put the Hemi swap in that sucker, man. Hi, y'all. What's happening here? What's happening here?
How you doing?
I see that.
What's happening
I see
here?
that. How you doing, bro?
Good.
Why that look like my engine in there?
Yeah, they ain't playing, man.
Why that playing? Why that look like my engine in there?
That's March right there.
It is. Yeah, so that should be in the back. It's a real modification right here. It's in the front.
He's been sitting in the garage for a week. How you been doing, man?
It is. El Camino. Call Papa right now. He'll say that's his. Nice. Nice. They got the cold air intake on there. That's nice. S10?
One day.
Chevrolet. Got the white and black. So these was the radios back in the day. Wow. Look how far we come from. That's nice. That's nice. So we got my man Shiggy. This is his car right here. In the car group. Mobtown Mopar. We gotta get him a sticker. We gotta get him a sticker. Gotta get him a sticker. Nice. Then you got mine. You got mine. You gotta get that. Gotta get that Mopar. Yes, sir. You see it. You see it. Let me get him a couple of reds.
My soul.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Nice. Nice. Let's go look at the rest of them.
We need to go that way.
I'm trying to tell you, man. Sound like a whole different car.
We need to go that way.
Oh yeah. We gonna go this way. We didn't caught all them over there. Yes, sir. Got my man Shiggy here. Mobtown Mopars. That's what we are, man. Mobtown Mopars. Y'all need to look us up, man. We finna be bringing y'all content for sure, man. Let y'all look at the rest of these cars. Oh yeah. Got the Dodge. You gotta have the Dodge. You gotta have the Dodge. Gotta have the Dodge. Yes, sir.
Custom 100.
Yes, sir. Nice stitching.
That ornament ain't playing with it.
I see. Man, I want to see. You know what's crazy? Don't that look just like my paint?
Hmm?
It is.
It was an ant on me. Not ant on
Okay. We got the Hyundai with the glitter. You can't beat that.
Like custom headlights, you put it down. See, I got it with the,
Oh yeah.
with the sheet metal. You
Mm-hmm.
know what I'm saying? Made his own little.
He made his own style.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. What we got there?
The shelf.
me.
Tell you something,
500.
man.
Not
That
GT500.
movie did the speed gave it for a lot of love.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you, made me want to have one.
GT250R.
And then we
What we got?
A
Mustang.
GT350.
350.
Mm-hmm.
That Shelby Cobra.
Let's see if he right, y'all. What that say? You right, y'all. Black interior on the inside. Black wheels. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, look at that. We got a guy here. He finna give us some food. Yes, sir. Nice. All right, y'all. We gonna keep it pushing. On to the next. On to the next.
Silverado, like he got more stuff in there than that, man.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Got the AC, everything going. Might start bringing that out to the show, man.
Sir. That's nice. That's nice. Look at that. Old school right there. Yes, sir. Got the blue interior. Everything original. I can tell you that.
That's some other cars that was out here other than old school. The older cars kind of funny, you know what I mean?
What? Real money. Yes, sir.
I saw old school. That's what I got around here. These cars were parked out here. I was like, okay, we good.
Right. That red dead cam boy.
I wonder how much horsepower this thing is.
Probably like 500 to 700. I'm assuming. I don't know.
It should be pushing 780 with all that stuff on money.
Exactly. That's that SS. Got another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Black interior SS. You know what that means. You see that SS, you know it's real. You see the SS, you know it's real. Yes, sir.
And it's manual.
That's all we do. We want power. Nothing wrong with the V6s. Ain't nothing wrong. Y'all can keep up with us. Ain't nothing wrong. Y'all can definitely keep up with us. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Look at that. I know, I ain't say that was a V6. I said the V6 can keep up with us. I don't have nothing against V6s. I got V4s at the house. Nice, nice, nice. How y'all doing today? Wonderful, wonderful. wreck nothing out there, y'all. We having a good day. Look, you see this cold air tape? I'm thinking about getting the same one, but the red all the way through. Nice. You probably finna come back over here. Y'all, I love that. I love that. I love that thing right there. For sure.
Yo, boo.
Yes, sir. Gotta have a.
Carpet redone on the floor. Okay. That's pretty cool. White interior.
Oh, the white interior.
Yeah. Carpet redone. It's clean now.
Ooh, yeah, that's clean. That is clean, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that carpet. Man, look at them seats. Seats is nice. Whole thing clean, y'all. CSI. Yes, sir. We got that Elantra. Yes, sir. This is nice. Oh yeah. Y'all check this out. Come check this out with me. Nice. Nice. That's nice. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Can y'all see them wheels? Clean.
Does that work good? They just deliver them right to you.
The Bandit with the white and red interior gut. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and they say it's up for sale. It's up for sale. They say it's up for sale, y'all. Y'all looking, I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm hoping y'all can see that. 21.5. Trade for a small travel trailer. S-Camp. Tablet. Equal value. For sure. Y'all. Yes, sir. Look at that. Nice. Ooh, 110. That's crazy, y'all. Look at this thing. Yes, sir. That's nice, y'all. Y'all getting that? How you doing? Camaro. Y'all see it? Black interior. Yes, sir. Old school. Look at that. Yes. That is nice. Paint job. Look at that paint job, y'all. That is nice. We got another one, you know. More old school. Oh. We just gonna say ancient school. We ain't even gonna say old school. We gonna say ancient school. It's that ancient school right here. Look at them. Custom made. Gotta have the red. Gotta have the red. I like the red. Like the red. I know, man.
Like this big.
I would have put some water on it.
What? Oh yeah.
Look at they got a cams in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Got
Got the
cams.
cams. Real custom work.
Real
Cam.
custom work.
Got them cams.
Say that.
VL1.
Got the GL1. I'm gonna get away from that one because I ain't even testing the waters. I'm gonna stay in my limits. Ooh-wee. Yeah, that's nice.
Oh.
Oop, where you at, better? Come on, man. Come on, man. What you doing, man? Yes, sir. Wasn't it another Trans Am over there where we parked at?
But that might be
Because the other one
different.
wasn't as shiny as that one.
Because the other one had different rims.
Y'all, I'm stuck on this. We need to talk about this.
Because before
'Cause
y'all,
why you got my-
before
why
the
you
dog
got
we
my-
had, they had
Why
these
you got
darts.
my air take in here? Huh? Huh? We gonna talk about this. Who put that swap? Who put that swap in there? Who put that 5.7 in there?
It could be a 6.4. Because 6.4s look like that too.
Might be a 6.4. They might put it. Oh man, hold on, y'all.
Ooh.
Nice. .360 motor. I love it. Ooh, I love that wood grain, y'all. I'm a sucker for the wood grain. I'm a sucker for the wood grain, y'all. For real. Got the Bel Air out here. Low down.
Showing that progress right here, boy.
They gotta have air suspensions on here.
Showing that progress right here.
Oh man.
Put in that work. They put in some work. Paint job.
That paint is nice. Nice. Swap out that interior, oh, yeah.
They put in the work. That's all right, man. That's all right, man. Where she come from?
Yeah, well, that's most of everything got here. We got a couple more calls we're gonna go check out. But, man, I appreciate y'all watching, liking, commenting, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell them what they need to subscribe, man.
Y'all need to subscribe.
Tell them to subscribe. Come on, man. Y'all need to subscribe. I'm trying to bring y'all the content. Come on, man.